This is the Revit course using Revit 2024. If you have the need to create projects for a school or the workplace, then you also have to consider which software to use. And Revit is one of the most flexible and robust softwares that you can learn whether you are an engineer or an architect. Revit is not so easy to understand without any previous knowledge of any of the disciplines that the software is designed for, especially because you can create all the necessary elements used to create complete projects in engineering and architecture. So you can use Revit to create a project such as a house with the plumbing, the electrical system, the site, and so on within a single file. This also offers free extensions to connect with other softwares such as Twinmotion, as well as the option to create your own documentation or sheets as you can do it with AutoCAD, but it's still focused on the way they use parametry in Revit. So the course is aimed at students who want to carry out architectural designs or engineers who want to start being able to carry out the projects without learning multiple softwares to do the same, so you can avoid having to perform some calculations related to the projects or create elements such as the top surface using other softwares. This course is also aimed at students who are using the softwares for the first time, as well as professionals who want to see if there are differences in the newer versions. And this course will include theoretical lessons, exercises, examples, tips and recommendations, and an architecture exercise. So with all of this, I hope that this course will allow you to start creating your own projects or designs in Revit.